have a lot of utility. You know, we can do just about anything. We're very versatile. We're much like a Swiss Army knife. I'm Jason Lisner. I'm the first mate for the Cleveland repair fleet for the floating plant. I've been with the Army Corps for 10 years, retired Coast Guard, been working on the water for 26 years. We're at a complement of 7 people right now, and we have 4 on the tug and 3 on the crane barge, and we all have our different jobs: crane operator, captain, mate, engineer, deckhands. We primarily work on Lake Erie and cover Lake Erie, about 8 different ports on Lake Erie. Our biggest thing that we do is break wall revetment, like reinforcing, building. We take armor stone, rubble mound, underlayment out to the break walls and just bolster them up to endure the weather, that they have to deal with. We've done shotcrete with the fast setting concrete projects here in Buffalo. We've cleaned out culverts. We do dredging for the Black Rock Lock. We do a lot of landside work in the winter months when the lake is too rough to work on. We can do just about anything that they can come up with. We're like the ultimate force multiplier, because we can do the same functions and perform the same projects that outside contractors do, but we do it in-house. So any smaller or intricate or more detailed jobs, they can send us and we'll just take care of it, and it's done. That's what we pride ourselves on.